Hey guys, this is Deadshot. Do you ever get bored with just having start down here? Doesn't it look kind of plain? I think it does. So that's why today I'm going to teach you how to change that text. And there's one program you need, and it's called ResHack. You can Google it. It'll be like the first site or something. I'll put it in my description of the YouTube movie. But alright, let's get to it. Go ahead and open that, extract the exe. You don't really need all that other crap. So go ahead. Now, you're going to want to navigate like this. Go to My Computer, Local Disk C, Windows, and find Explorer.exe. Go ahead and open it. Go to String Table, and go to String 37, and click that. See, it says start right there. Just go ahead and edit that to whatever the hell you want. I'll use Deadshot because that's who I am. Go ahead and compile the script and save as, not save, save as. Save it as Explorer. Can't type today. Explorer, then whatever you put there. So I put Deadshot, so I'll do Deadshot. Two things: make sure it's lowercase and that you have .exe at the end. You need the .exe. So go ahead and save it, and you can go ahead and exit out of Resource Hacker. Then go to Start, Run, and type in regedit. It'll open this. Now, this is where you're gonna edit the file that it loads, because what it loads down here for start is it loads the program explorer.exe, and it gives you all this and all the desktops on your icon and everything. So that we gotta set the we have to set it to load explorer whatever you put .exe, so it'll change that start menu. So I'll tell you where to go. You're gonna want to go to hkey_local_machine. Click software, Microsoft. There we go. And go down to Windows NT, current version. Then go down and scroll to just click on WinLogon. You don't have to put it down. But see shell right here? Explorer.exe. Double click it. And go ahead and just edit that to whatever you put. I'd be Explorer Deadshot.exe and hit OK. Now you see it hasn't changed because I need to log off so it'll reload it. So you see it's around 12:50 right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and log off, log right back on, and make another movie showing you that it worked. Here we go. I just logged back on, and now you can see it says Deadshot down here. Cool, huh? And you can just keep doing that as much as you want. Change it whatever the hell you want to. Alright. So this has been Deadshot. I want you all to go to a website. It's called dxthacks.com. Now, DXT Hacks, it's a place where people can learn, people can grow, and you can buy a VIP from the site, which are game hacks for like Warrock, Call of Duty, Combat Arms, Battlefield 2, stuff like that. People release publics on there. You can learn how to code D3D, C++, VB6 hacks. It's just a really great community. I recommend you go to it. Alright? So this has been Deadshot. Talk to you later.